What's up, y'all? It's Mariah Lisa, and I'm back with another banging wig review. Today's review is on this 4x4 lace closure water wave wig by the brand Like Her. This unit is 20 inches long and 150% density. At first, taking it out of the package, I was not super impressed because it's pretty basic, but when I pulled it out, y'all, look at these curls. The unit looks so juicy and hydrated. I cannot wait to put it on my head. Okay, so I have not cut the lace off, but baby, that part is looking clean. Y'all, I was super impressed with how soft and bouncy these curls were. Though the part was plucked thin, it was still pretty clean, and I won't have to do much work with knots or anything. A wig cap will probably be fine. And with that being said, now it's time to apply it to my head. Now, the key to achieving that water wave texture is to drench and soak the hair. Nothing like water and heavy product or some type of light oil on top of the curls make them pop and shine. So far, all I've done is cut the lace and get the hair wet, and I'm honestly impressed. This unit is so freaking cute. And look, very minimal shedding. So now I'm going in with the Got2b wax spray. The hold is lighter than the traditional Got2b glue spray, which is why I like it, and honestly, it basically clumps the curls. It puts a light layer of product so the curls stay defined, and it's a light hold, but also a hold that helps the curls stay clumped and popping. And as you can see, I put a lot of it in. I make sure to cover every strand on this unit and rake it through because I want these curls shining and bouncy. Of course, I can't forget to mention that I got this wig off of, you guessed it, Amazon. It came with 2-day free shipping with Prime, and this unit specifically cost about $120, so it is on the more expensive side, but it is a 20-inch wig. Of course, I had to put a little face on for you because I had to make sure that the look was complete. This is the final look of the wig when the spray has dried, so it does show that there's hold. It does look like there's product in the hair, but it's still light and the curls look bouncy and not crispy and dry. If you're interested in this unit, I will make sure to link it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for good vibes, and I will see y'all in the next one.